Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad y'all are here because this is the start of a very exciting weekend. Today is Friday. Tomorrow morning I am going to a cabin. I'm going to the Getaway Cabins in Georgia. I was invited on this influencer trip and I'm so thankful that they thought of me to go to this, because I've been wanting to go to these cabins for forever, but also just to be recognized. So I'm just really excited that I got the opportunity to go on this. I'm bringing my best friend Eunice, who I just went to Paris with, so y'all see her again. We're driving there in the morning. It's about a 2-hour drive outside of Atlanta. And then after that, I'm flying to New York for the New York Liberty game. So obviously this vlog will be posted after that game. I'm praying. Do you cross your fingers when you want something to happen? I'm praying for a Liberty win, but I'm going straight from that little weekend retreat thing to the airport to fly to New York. As soon as I land in New York, I'm going to the game. So I'm so excited for that. So I just finished packing up and I just wanted to share my excitement right now before I'm in the morning. Like in the morning, I'm tired because we're heading out at 9. So I've packed up. I'm not even gonna show you the mess that my closet is right now, but just know I'm very excited. I did my hair, I got my eyebrows done. And yeah, I'm about to wash my makeup brushes and then get some sleep. And I'm gonna be back in the morning when I'm headed to the cabin. So I'm so excited, but thank you guys so much for watching. And if you're interested in seeing how this weekend goes, then keep on watching. Good morning, guys. It is the next morning and I'm getting ready to head out. Right now, I'm literally just about to make me some toast. And Eunice and I are gonna grab a smoothie on the road, but I got up early for some reason, even though I went to sleep at 4 o'clock. I got caught up in like these murder mystery YouTube videos. Like the YouTube suggestion tab should be illegal after midnight because I just get into the weirdest videos, like the absolute weirdest. But anyway, I'm a little tired. But Eunice is gonna pick me up at 11. It's 9:23 right now, so I'm about to make some toast, eat a banana, and then literally just lie down until she gets here. And then I already showered, got myself ready. My bag is zipped up, so I'm like door ready. All I have to do is take out my trash and I'm good to go. So I'm gonna eat my toast, wait for Eunice to get here, and I'll be back when I'm in the car.
That's crazy. No.
Hallelujah, praise to God.
We're 4 minutes away. Guys, we made it to this cabin and we're about to walk in.
Child.
I'm gonna record on my phone too. I just want to get our reaction. Oh my god. You want to take yourself now?
Yeah.
Okay. We've made it into the cabin and I'm just so happy. They brought us gifts. So shout out to the social club. Shout out to, they're not called postcard cabins, but me and Eunice made it.
We made it.
She got us up this mountain.
To save my marriage.
Literally. But they gave us some goodies, so I'm going to show y'all. So they gave us a shirt with their logo on it, Getaway, a bandana. They gave us a hat that says, let's go into the woods. They gave us a postcard cabin bag. And this is actually a really nice bag. Like, I actually really like this color. And this side, I'm like kind of like shook about. They gave us a 4K HD camera, the Minnow Minolta camera. Like, this just looks really, really high quality. So I'm excited to open that and use it. I actually might do that right now. They gave us some Osea body oil, and then they gave us a Byredo candle. Like, what? And then, what is this? I don't know what this is.
I thought they were matches, but that might be wrong. It
They
said
might.
on the back,
Oh yeah, the makers of Marvelous Matches. Oh, that goes with the candle.
I want to smell this.
But y'all, this is the little cabin. So I guess they have like a little kitchenette.
Like
They have like a refrigerator, a sink. We won't need any of that. We're only here for one night. And they're providing food. What?
we won't need a fridge.
I really meant we don't need the cooking stuff.
Oh.
We brought our own little stuff. But we got the bunk bedroom. But honestly, you could just sleep in the. You want to sleep in the same one, or
Yeah.
like, you want at the
We
top
do
or the
that
bottom?
anyway.
This is kind of cool.
It's so cool.
Like what? Look up there.
Let's look at the hat. I love this
I know.
hat.
Like, this is so cute. Like, Eunice, this is a real influencer trip. That's so cute. We have a little table and a little campfire area. And then over here is our view.
Oh, service. They don't got Wi-Fi.
They probably do have Wi-Fi. We need to ask.
I love this shape of this hat.
This is so lit.
Put y'all's on so I can send this to my mom. These are cute.
These are cute.
These are cute as hell. I just
Like-
need some scrubs.
We're in a cabin.
We're in the cabin, and this is not on brand for us.
Not at all.
Let me
We've
just
done
say-
one cabin together.
I took my
What?
shoes off so I wouldn't get on the bed.
We've only done one cabin. What I can say is it's
is
kind of
so-
hot in here.
You know, it's very hot.
Like, they need to. I turned the air.
It's such a cute view, though.
right. I love
But
that.
it's not bad.
I love that.
Like, if I smelled a man that smelled like that,
I love this, Eunice. Put everything in my goodie bag.
that's what I'm saying, because I'm leaving here with some.
Oh.
You don't need anything.
This is so perfect. Okay guys, so I wanted to show y'all the itinerary. So right now it's about to be 2 o'clock. So they're just doing a coffee bar and people arriving to their cabin. At 2:30 we're doing a breathwork session. I'm really excited about that because it's like, that's kind of cool. Like yoga vibes. And then we're doing a tie-dye workshop, which is also cool. Like I'm gonna try to do like a shirt or something. And then we have dinner from 6 to 8. And then we have s'mores from 8 to 9:30. And after 9:30, me and Eunice are getting lit.
Yeah.
And then tomorrow we're gonna do breakfast. And we're gonna try to go with the first group for fishing at 9:30. And then we're heading out. So I'm really excited. They sold me with the gifts. I'm not gonna lie. I like free shit. And I walked into a lot of free shit. So we're about to head to our first activity.
It'll probably be cooler later in the night. Did I bring chapstick? Oh, yeah, I need some.
It's dry.
Your mother died coming up this mountain to save my marriage.
Alright, did you do a video of me in front of it?
Mm-hmm.
Can you see those roses?
No, I can't. Got the girl pops in the woods, though.
Alright, y'all. Let's do this.
So I get situated. There's a bucket of water at the
I'm the what? Nice to meet you. Oh my God, that was generational.
Cute.
So romantic.
Oh. Like I can.
That was on tape?
Yes, I've been recording the whole time. Since the walk started. Oh my God. This is so nice. You're right, exactly. And then they'll come start serving you guys. Thank you. Okay.
s'mores after, but yeah, enjoy. There's not much left for me to say. So.
Thank you.
Let's do it. Toast to everybody. Old friends, new friends. There's a lot of beautiful people at this table. I'm grateful to be here with y'all, man. All of y'all mean something to me. Shit, it's family. At the end of the day, even if we don't know each other like that, even we just met today. You know what I'm saying? For these 24 hours, we're family, man. It's all good vibes, all positivity. Toast up.
Cheers.
Clink, 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 clink.
Random. No, literally. Oh, I feel like we were in line in that little long hallway for maybe 30-40 minutes.
Not that little long.
She's exaggerating. It was like 15.
That was a long line too, remember?
Yeah. We got home at like 6.
Oh, you couldn't even see everything.
I didn't see none of that happen.
How many
Everything was
people
over
are
there.
coming this year?
In November.
He just said
2,000?
New York, iconic being
Last year was like 3,000. Probably more like 500.
It sounds good though.
It was good.
I do a tiramisu.
My hands are freezing.
The meat sauce.
But the setup was so pretty.
No, perfect.
And it's been a great conversation we've had. Paloma's wine, cut water, and now we're getting dessert. And we're gonna do some more.
So you say s'mores or s'mores?
I say s'mores.
I say s'mores.
I say s'mores.
They're on the way, I think.
Yeah.
They both chocolate
Oh,
milk.
just playing. I think they both milk chocolate.
No, man.
Yeah, chocolate and milk chocolate. And then you put it in the middle, smack that thing together, the heat from the marshmallow, milk, chocolate.
Oh, that's right. Burn it.
The chocolate's on your stick?
You already got the chocolate up on there.
Oh, wow. I should have did that.
Now wait a minute.
Now,
I should have did that.
Be on to something.
Good morning. I don't think I came and talked to y'all last night, but we had a great time, and I'm gonna leave it at that. We had a great time. I gotta push through today because we're walking to breakfast now. Hopefully there's some food still left out, and then we're doing fishing. We're going fishing, and it's real crisp out here. It feels good because I feel like I need the little shock to my body.
You didn't give a review of the cabin.
Like how okay, we slept in the cabin. We ended up sleeping in the bottom bunk, top bunk situation. We thought we were gonna sleep in the same bed, but it had turned.
Your standard bottom bunk top.
Yeah, like we
The
both
beds were
had.
very decent size.
Like, you think they're queen size or full size?
So.
Like, they're like queen size bunk beds. Like each bed was the same exact size. Yeah, it was like a full bed, top bottom. Like when they said bunk beds, like I knew that from looking at the website. That's why when we pulled up, I was like, we didn't get the bunk beds, right? Because I didn't think it was gonna be like that. I thought it was gonna be like, you know, the traditional kids bunk beds. You remember how they had us in DC?
Oh yeah.
I thought it was gonna be like that.
Me too.
So I wasn't going for that, but it was real nice. All the birds chirping.
We did hear something howling.
We heard some. Well,
Well, a pack or something.
Eunice heard it. My mind wasn't really there to hear it, but
You heard it.
I heard it at the time. I just don't remember. But yeah, yesterday was just perfect. Like, we did breathing workshop or breathwork workshop. We did tie-dyeing shirts. They had a beautiful dinner set up for us. It was just like all in all perfect day. Then we did s'mores and we played games. We just had a great time. So I'm like really happy that we got invited and that we actually came, because it was so like last minute. And now we get to finish off the day, and as soon as I get back to Atlanta, I'm gonna try to sleep for an hour and I gotta go get on the plane. So keep on watching us go fishing. Made it to the fishing site, and that was quite an interesting drive. Like, we are in no man's land, but it's really pretty. Guys, we have our fishing gear on, and I found a fake worm in my pocket and I literally freaked out.
Let me take a group. Hey, Berto, can you take a picture of us girls? Of the ladies.
Let's go, dude.
I mean,
Yeah, you some good footage today, man. Oh yeah, dude. Send that to us, man. Yeah, we'll post that. Yeah.
Get in there and smile. Gotcha.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Like, y'all, I'm in the water right now. I'm standing in the water. We're about to do fly fishing. In this wave. That is a big fish. No.
Oh, baby.
Are you gonna touch it?
She
No,
is.
I
Take your hand out of your sleeve.
am. Out of my sleeve?
Yeah, so turn your hand just like this.
Oh, gosh. Let's do this one. I have a Band-Aid on this one.
Okay. Ready? Take your hand and wet the palm of your hand so we don't hurt him.
Y'all recording?
Yeah, I'm recording.
Yeah, wet the palm of your hand. You're good. He won't hurt you.
It's just, I don't know what it feels
That's the
like.
water. There you go. Now grab him. I'm going to pick him up. Flip your hand over. All right, don't squeeze him hard. He won't hurt you.
Oh, my God.
He won't hurt you. Ready?
It's just
Right there.
slippery.
Grab.
Hi, fishy.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, turn him loose.
Oh, wow, he is camouflage.
Where did it go?
No, where did...
Disappeared.
That's actually crazy to me
Wow.
right now.
Oh my God, and he went away so softly.
Wow.
All right, guys, we finished the fishing, and now Eunice and I are about to head back to the city because I have to make it to New York for the game. So the vlog continues, and I'll be back in Atlanta. Whew.
For Sabrina Ionescu. One of the things that Minnesota has done all season in the WNBA. Letitia Heidemann in for Minnesota. Cheryl Reed telling us Courtney Williams needs.
Look at her being a mom.
Our WNBA commissioner, and finally will be presenting this trophy by YouTube TV, Kathy Gilbert. In a season to remember, what a way, an unforgettable way to cap this off with this final series. So again, congratulations to the Minnesota Lynx. What a series, 2 overtimes. And to the fans from here in Minnesota, thank you so much. So, to present the award for the WNBA champions, so much credit to Clara Rosai, to the owners, to Coach Sandy Carmelo, and Jane Cole, and to the players.
Look at
You
Sabrina.
have made history, the first championship. WNBA Finals is, with averaging 18 points and 8 rebounds, Jonathan Wells. I've been denied it, but it was delayed. That's all it was.
Yes, sir.
Guys, I've had the best day and now I have the best view. Like, I'm so happy right now. So I'm back from the game and in a hotel now. I've had the most eventful, has it been 48 hours? The most eventful 48 hours. It was a blast. I ended this weekend after that great trip with a Lions win and a Liberty win. Somehow I made it to New York. Somehow I made it through that game. My body's not feeling the best, but my heart is full. I had a great burger. My belly's full. And I just had like the most spontaneous but fun weekend. Like, it'll just be a weekend I'll remember forever. And yeah, so right now, I didn't even wrap my hair last night. My hair looks crazy. We're about to just chill and maybe watch some TV. And yeah, I'm about to put on my Skims cozy pajamas because I'm through. My body's through. But yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for coming along with me on this crazy weekend. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed it and I can't wait to see you on the next one.